Why is Trump threatening more Iran strikes? Because the ceasefire is already under strain, and new U.S. strikes show this conflict can still widen fast. Trump says American aircraft hit Iranian missile and drone storage sites and coastal radar sites after what he called a violation of the ceasefire agreement. The trigger came on Saturday evening, when Trump posted on Truth Social that U.S. aircraft struck Iranian missile and drone storage locations and coastal radar sites for violating the ceasefire agreement, again. That is the clearest sign today that the U.S. is still treating the truce as fragile. The strikes were not described as symbolic. They were aimed at military storage and radar targets tied to Iran's ability to track and launch. Trump went further than describing the strikes. He said, "There may come a point when we are no longer able to be reasonable and will be forced to militarily complete the job that we very successfully started." That sentence is why the story is exploding now. It turns the latest raid from a one-off response into a public warning that more force is still on the table if the ceasefire breaks down again. The reason this keeps resurfacing is repetition. It was the third time in 3 weeks that American warplanes had struck similar targets after Iranian drone attacks in the strait. That means the fighting has already moved into a cycle of strike, response, strike again. Each round raises the risk that the ceasefire stops being a ceiling and becomes just another pause before the next hit. The conflict now sits between restraint and escalation. Iran's drone attacks in the strait have already triggered repeated American strikes, and Trump's warning makes the next decision more dangerous. If Washington believes the ceasefire was violated again, the response may not stay limited to storage sites and radar. The risk is that both sides start treating the agreement as optional, which is exactly how a pause turns back into a wider war. The takeaway is not that the fighting is over, it is that the truce is being tested in real time. Trump has already ordered or described new strikes on Iranian missile and drone storage locations and coastal radar sites. If those attacks keep happening, the phrase militarily complete the job stops sounding like rhetoric and starts sounding like a plan. Right now, the story is not just about one U.S. strike. It is about whether the ceasefire can survive the next Iranian move. Trump has already signaled that if it fails again, the U.S. may answer with more force, not less.